Hello everyone. We show you something. Now my honey is opening the door for our new room to new apartment, guys. So at this time, this is our first view that we present to you. Our rooms. Off your shoes, sweetie.
No, don't.
Off your shoes.
We walk down. This is our place.
No, be careful, sweetie. Okay. Welcome to our new apartment, guys. So at this time, we show you room for rooms before we carry our things. Okay. First, we will introduce you our kitchen. Oops, sorry. Our kitchen over here. There we go. Our kitchen, guys. And here, our husband. And everything here is our own. And then we have a new stove for cooking now. This better because we don't need to clean the you know yung ring. We don't need to clean the ring, just wipe it. That's really good. See, that's our kitchen, and we have our one fridge. Look, the floor is so tidy. It's so wide, guys. So over here, what happened? Yeah, I showed already the stools.
Yeah, see, totally different.
Yeah.
This is a warmer.
The warmer one?
Watch
Yeah.
this. Watch this.
You can cook it here.
You see. You turn it on.
Yeah, you can pull out, honey. You can pull it out. Yeah, like that. And then show it around like that.
Pull it up and go like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Freaky.
And then I will show you we show you the room, guys, for this is the stock room, the storage room. So we can store our luggage here. We can store our luggage here. So look, very big. We can hide our luggage there, the things that we don't need to use. We can store it here. See, it's big. It's just like rooms or bedrooms. But this one, this is our room for honey. This is our room for honey, guys. This one, the big one. See, me and honey, we're gonna use for this room. This bigger, and we have our closet in here. Look, wow! So we can have our closet in here. We can put our closet in here, guys. So, but don't have light in here. So now me and honey have our own room, and then have own closet. Now we will go to Gemrose and
1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah. Now you can go to Gemrose room. Here is the Gemrose room, and sister, look. Wow. Here, guys, and we have their closet too. Here they can use their closet also. They have their own room. So the Gemrose and her sister were gonna sleep here together because this room, guys, is big enough for 2 bedrooms. Right? 2 bedrooms. That's it. So we are lucky to have our new room. So we can go to the fridge. Okay, we can have our fridge. How many layers in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a freezer. You got it. So that's so nice. Let's see our bathroom, guys. We have here. We have over here.
What we could do, that freezer's not big enough. We could buy a small little apartment freezer.
And this is our beautiful bathroom in here. Look, guys, you just pull out the showers and we can use it. And we have also showers for the big one to drop it in our body, and one other showers to handle shower, guys. So, and
I don't know what that is.
this is shower, honey. Yeah, you can do this one. Use this one to this one. Pull out this one, and you stop your body in here.
Really?
And you shower, yeah. Yeah, we can operate this one, this to pull it out and stand in here, and you can have shower. So that's the shower, another kind of shower, and this one, guys, see. Can have your bathroom in here, and we
I
can
haven't
have
seen a smile like that on her since
a
Christmas.
big mirror. Look, Gem Roses is so happy that she has her own room now. And that's so cozy and tidy. So we're happy to get these steps from here, guys, going in here. See, just a long steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 steps. Yes, and we have here our laundry. Yeah.
You can't put as many clothes in there as...
Our laundry here, guys. See, our dryer in here. Dryer. There you go. So we're comfortable living in here. Hopefully we can stay longer in here like what our house before. So we just have a big window here from the outside. The sunshine. Oh, the sunshine is coming here. Come inside. Look in here. So here, sometimes you can make some playrooms in here to hide it. Then extra room. The extra room is a big one.
Did you see how big this thing is?
Yeah. So this
No,
is
not just here.
this is our living room, guys. We can put the TV in here. We can put our sofa. Yeah, we can put it here. So we start putting our stuffs now, and then maybe end of the first week we are already here to stay. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you for our next video. Bye.